Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you an updated way to boost engagement on your Pinterest account by enabling comments on your pins. If you're ready to make your Pinterest space more interactive, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap Saved at the bottom of the screen, then tap on your profile icon at the top. In the upper right corner, you'll see a hexagon-shaped icon. Tap on that to go to your settings. On the new page that opens, scroll down and select the option labeled Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for Social Permissions and tap on it. Now, scroll down until you find Allow Comments on Pins. Simply toggle the switch to enable comments on your pins. And that's it. You've successfully allowed comments on your Pinterest pins. By enabling comments, you open the door for valuable feedback and conversations, helping to create a more interactive experience for your followers. It's a simple setting adjustment that encourages others to share their thoughts on your pins. However, some users have reported glitches where Pinterest turns off comments even after they've been enabled. If you experience this, you're not alone. This may be due to a glitch within the Pinterest platform itself, so keep an eye out for updates or fixes from Pinterest. In the meantime, ensure your app is updated to the latest version, as this can sometimes resolve unexpected issues. Also, remember to be patient. Glitches sometimes require time for developers to identify and resolve. Allowing comments on your pins invites feedback, questions, and discussions, creating a more dynamic experience for both you and your followers. Whether you're sharing design ideas, recipes, or inspiration, comments open the door for conversations that can deepen connections and enhance your Pinterest presence. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.